Welcome to the Ally Invest Managed Portfolios Review Usage Experience. Links to this platform are included in the description for your convenience. Ally Invest Managed Portfolios is a robo-advisor service tailored for individuals seeking a low-cost, automated investment solution. It's designed for those who want to grow their wealth without needing to actively manage their portfolios, making it ideal for beginners and busy investors. This service offers a professionally managed portfolio with a mix of ETFs that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. After answering a few questions about your objectives, like saving for retirement or growing wealth, Ally Invest designs a personalized portfolio for you. A standout feature is the platform's low minimum investment requirement of just $100, making it accessible to nearly anyone interested in starting their investment journey. One of the most attractive aspects of Ally Invest Managed Portfolios is its lack of advisory fees. As long as you allocate 30% of your portfolio to an interest-earning cash buffer, you won't pay any management fees. While this cash allocation may not appeal to aggressive investors seeking maximum returns, it can be a good fit for those who prefer stability and liquidity in their portfolios. Alternatively, you can opt for a fee-based portfolio with no cash requirement, charged at a modest 0.30% annually. The platform supports automatic rebalancing, ensuring your portfolio stays aligned with your investment strategy. Additionally, Ally Invest provides clear insights into your portfolio's performance, making it easy to track your progress over time. You also benefit from seamless integration with Ally Bank, making it convenient for existing Ally customers to manage their finances in one place. While Ally Invest Managed Portfolios excels in simplicity and affordability, it doesn't include advanced tax optimization features like tax loss harvesting, which some competitors offer. However, its user-friendly interface and integration with Ally's other financial services make it a well-rounded choice. In conclusion, Ally Invest Managed Portfolios is perfect for cost-conscious investors who value simplicity and convenience. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to start investing, check out the links in the description and explore what Ally Invest Managed Portfolios has to offer.